Hello, my purse peeps. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm here with a double unboxing from Coach of some travel bags that I've yet to purchase from Coach. In this situation, I actually purchased a set, but I didn't get the crossbody bag that goes with it because I found that I already have one in my collection. So to see the unboxing and learn why this one is the perfect match for what I'm about to open, please keep on watching. Okay, let's dig right in here. As you can see, these are some pretty big boxes from Coach. I think they may have overdone it here. So let me just put one of them aside. So this is, like I said, a travel piece. I've opened quite a few totes on my channel from Coach, but this set is a little bit unique in that I don't have one of these bag styles in my current collection. So let's see what this first one is here. Okay. All right, so this first bag is the Coach Quart Tote. And let me open her right up here. So this is the Quart Tote, as I indicated, and I have a Coach tote, and it might even be a Quart tote, I'm not really sure, but I thought this set was really nice for an upcoming trip that I'm taking. So on the outside you can see she has the Coach C with the black and white. This pocket is a leather, pebbled leather pocket, and it's a pretty nice size. Take the stuffing out here. So pretty nice size. It has the silver hardware, and it has the Coach. Then this bag is nylon. You can see in the back she does have the zipper pocket, and she has the Coach patch, which you've probably seen many times. So the pocket is really a nice size opening there. On the other side, which is the front actually, she has the two slip pockets, which you've probably seen before as well. So very nice capacity with this Coach Tote, Coach Quart Tote. Let me take the paper off the top here. So what I really like about this, it has the silver in the middle of the web, so it's black and silver. Looks really good with the black and white here. And as I indicated, the reason why I got this set and I didn't get the crossbody to match, because this looks really good with the bag that I already have. So this bag I got for Christmas from my daughter, and this is the Coach Convertible belt bag. So it converts from a belt bag, so it has the belt bag here, and then you can also wear it as a crossbody. So I thought this would look very nice with this set. So I saved myself a little bit of money here and not purchasing the actual crossbody that came with this set. Now let me get to the second unboxing. Okay, so here's the second unboxing, and let me dig right into this one. Like I said, I'm very excited to get this bag because I do not have this style of bag in my collection. So this is a first for me. Let me pull her out. Sorry. I think they overdid it with these big old boxes. What do you think? Okay, so that was a lot. So let's now unbag her. I never can find the right spot to open these up. So I find myself just tearing right into the bag. So this is the second item. And as you probably can see, this is the matching Court Weekender bag that goes with that Court Tote. How cute is this? So, like I said, I have a trip coming up, and I'm looking forward to trying out this new set real soon here. So let me tell you though a little bit about this Court Weekender. As you can see, it has the matching web straps with the silver that I was very attracted to. I thought that was cute. Has the C on the front in white. It has a similar pocket on the front in leather, pebbled leather. This pocket is a little different though. Look at that, isn't that pretty? This pocket has flowers in the interior, and it also has two slip pockets. So that's different from the Tote, which is very nice. Nice size pocket as well. So let me get into this bag. It does look like it has magnetic snaps on the side, so they snap down with the magnet. It has the silver hardware. And let me get rid of this paper. As you can imagine, my little setup here is a mess after I get done with these videos, especially when they're such big boxes with so much paper. But I thought it was important to kind of get everything out so I can show you this. So look at the inside of this. It's also with the flower print, and I don't know if that shows on the website. So this is actually very pretty. And then on the back she has the Coach patch as well, and then she has a zipper pocket. Let me cut this off. She has the inside zipper pocket that's also lined with the flowers and the pretty colors. How nice. She has a leather zipper pull on that back pocket. Very nice. And there's no other pockets on the inside of this bag. She does have a nice outside pocket as well. So you can, or actually no, this isn't a pocket. This is the section where you can hook it onto the back of your roller luggage, so she can fit nicely and you can push her along with your other luggage. So that's a nice little add-on to this bag. Okay, again, she has the silver hardware with the silver D-rings to attach the nice strap, and this strap is a drop of 26.5 inches, so it is adjustable. Very nice leather on the end, so that's going to be very nice. She also has these straps at the top, obviously, and these are a 10-inch drop, so very nice. And just more about the dimensions of this bag. So as you can see, she does have the detachable strap as I indicated, and this bag is pretty big. It's 15.5 inches in length. It's 12.5 inches in height, and it is 5 3/4 inches in width. It is nylon and pebbled leather, as I indicated. She does have a zip top closure, so that's very nice. And as you've heard, she does have 4 feet on the bottom, so that's also very nice. So this is going to be very nice for my upcoming trip. I will make a part 2 of this video just to share how I packed her and what's included. So here again is the full set. This is the Court Weekender, and it's style number C4096. And then this is the matching Court Tote, and the Court Tote is C5049, and the Tote does not have that pretty lining like the Weekender bag, but I think it's going to look great together all the same. The dimensions on the Tote are 15, actually I think I gave you the wrong dimensions on the duffel, or on the Weekend. On the Tote, it's 15.5 inches in length, 12.5 in height, and 5 3/4 in width. So on the Weekender, the dimensions are much larger, so it's 17.5 inches in length, 10.5 inches in height, and 8 inches in width. So here they are together. I think they're really cute. And then I will just add on, like I shared, my Coach convertible belt bag that'll make it a lot easier for me to travel with a crossbody bag that seems to fit the bill in terms of matching this full set. So look forward to a upcoming video when I share with you what I packed and what fits in this beautiful set. So thank you all for watching. Thank you to all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet and you like these types of videos, please subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and binge watch. So thank you for joining me. Talk soon.